Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the Hikvision intercom system which works through Wi-Fi and can be accessed and controlled remotely, and this works with Hikconnect app, which is the proprietary app of Hikvision. So this is one product which is end of life at the moment, which means they don't produce it anymore, but still these are being sold in the market. But there is enough support from the distributor, Hikvision distributor, so that's not a problem. This works with power over Ethernet connection with a PoE switch. Now in this video I am going to demonstrate how outdoor villa type 4-button 4-flow intercom will work with one indoor station. So this is the indoor station, which is a touch screen. I'll show it to you now. So this is how it is packed. These are the manuals and the bracket. Take it off. Now these are sealed, and you can see there is connector wire, connector cable to power up, and then the steel bracket to wall mount, and the manual. See, these manuals are mostly outdated, so you can follow the instructions which come on Hikconnect app to install this. So I'll show you the screen. This is the screen. This is the screen. This is a touch screen. You get connectors and network port here. This is a network port. So yeah, this is like standard intercom system. Connect 4-5 houses with one outdoor unit. And so once the bell is pressed, so this is the outdoor unit. There is this 2 megapixel camera, high definition, and there are buttons here like this. And so for each button you can assign a floor. Say 1 is for ground floor, 2 is for first floor, 3 is for second floor, and 4 is for fourth button. So when you press fourth button, only the fourth indoor station will ring. And there is a master card which can be used to program many more cards. And so this actually is the E model, which is the RFID card model. There is another one which is with M, that is the MyFair card model. Normally in RFID you get to see the card number printed, but in MyFair you don't see it. So you can program multiple cards using this. So one more thing I have to explain. This is a gate electric lock which can be connected to this, and through your phone or your indoor station this, you can control the door. You can get it opened. So I'll show you the lock. There are many types. This is the standard one. This has a card reader 2 and a remote, and the real physical key, as you can see, key module, and then this is the bracket which holds the tongue part of the lock, and this is the lock. This can be welded or mounted using hard screw onto your gate, and by doing a small wiring up to this through your indoor station and through your mobile app from wherever you are, you can control this setup. So when you're outside and when someone rings your bell using this, when the setup is added to the HikConnect app on your mobile phone will ring just like a WhatsApp call from wherever you are. So you can open the phone, press the answer button and see them, talk to them, and if they are known people, you can press the unlock key to unlock the system. So this will be unlocked. So that's pretty much the setup. I'll show you the complete video of how this works.
¿Cómo será mi piel junto a tu piel? ¿Cómo será mi piel junto a tu piel? Cardo o ceniza, ¿cómo será? Si ha de fundir mi espacio frente al tuyo, ¿cómo será tu cuerpo al recorrerme? Y cómo mi corazón si estoy de muerte, mi corazón si estoy de muerte. Se quebrará mi voz cuando se apague, de no poder